Jai Gurudev children. This is third language Hindi, 7th standard. Okay, the first lesson already we learned the two paragraph. Okay, the first paragraph we learn about the farmers. Okay, what we want to need, the three things, what the three things name, and farmers what they are doing and where they will live. Okay, what they give for us, everything we learn the first paragraph. Okay, the second paragraph we learn the who will make a building and who will make a furniture things and what their name, everything we learn the second paragraph. Okay, so next we want to learn the remaining two paragraph. Okay, the two paragraph we have to learn the about the cloth and this three also. Okay, so now we can start the third paragraph. Okay, the first line, हमें पहनने के लिए कपड़े चाहिए. हमें पहनने के लिए कपड़े चाहिए. We want to wear the dress. Okay, पहनने, what does mean by पहनने? पहनने means to wear. Okay, कपड़ा cloth, चाहिए want. Okay, ये कपड़े कहाँ से आते हैं? Okay, this dress where it will come. Okay, कहाँ, कहाँ means where. Okay, आते come. पहले किसान खेतों में कपास पैदा करते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फार्मर, द फील्ड, खेतों मीन्स फील्ड, कपास कॉटन, कपास कॉटन. ओके, दे विल प्रोड्यूस द कॉटन. वे कपास से रुई, रुई से धागा और धागे से कपड़ा बनाते हैं. Isn't it? Cotton, the first of all they produce the cotton, then next they will make a thread. Thread means dhaga. Kapas or ruhi, this two also same meaning cotton. Okay, dhaga, thread, after that only they are making dress, kapda. Okay, बनाते हैं. कपड़े बुनने वाले को जुलाहा कहते हैं. ओके, कपड़े बुनने वाले को जुलाहा कहते हैं. Who will make a dress? The person we call to जुलाहा. जुलाहा means weaver. ओके, ये करखों पर कपड़ा बुनते हैं. ओके, ये करखों पर कपड़ा बुनते हैं. करखों means handloom. I think so this is very famous for the Kanjipuram silk sarees. Kanjipuram silk sarees mostly they are doing the handloom work only. Okay, that is means handloom work. Next, this only for the third paragraph. Kapda means cloth, kisan farmer, खेत field, kabas cotton, ruhi cotton, धागा thread. Okay, जुलाहा weaver. रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान के अलावा हमें बर्तन और आभूषण भी चाहिए. The fourth paragraph they given these three things we want to need important. Another two things also we want to need. That is what is Bartan. What does mean by Bartan? Bartan means vessels. Abhushan, jewel. Okay, this also we want to need. आभूषण बनाने वाले को सोनार कहते हैं. Who will make a jewelry? The person we call to sonar. Sonar means goldsmith. Sonar means goldsmith. Sonar, सोने से कंगन, जंजीर, अंगूठी आदि बनाते हैं. The goldsmith what they are doing? Okay, they will make for us कंगन. कंगन means bangles. Okay, जंजीर, chain, अंगूठी, ring. Okay, etc. They will make for us. The goldsmith they will make only for the gold materials alone? No. चांदी से थाली, ग्लास आदि बनाते हैं. What is mean by चांदी? Chandi means silver. Okay, silver they are making प्लेट, ओके, सिल्वर प्लेट एंड सिल्वर ग्लास आदि बनाते हैं. दे इंग्लिश आल्सो ग्लास ओनली. ओके, हिंदी आल्सो दे गिवन ग्लास. ओके, लोहार, लोहार भी हमारे काम के हैं. लोहार, what is mean by लोहार? सोनार means goldsmith, लोहार means blacksmith. They also doing work for us. Okay, लोहार लोहे के सामान बनाते हैं. The blacksmith, what they are doing? They are making iron materials. Okay, लोहे के, लोहे means iron. Okay, सामान means things, बनाते हैं. They are making iron materials. किसान, राज, बड़ी, जुलाहा, सोनार, लोहार आदि पेशेवर है. दिस everyone workman. किसान means farmer, राज mason, बड़ी carpenter, जुलाका weaver, सोनार goldsmith, lohar blacksmith, etc. This everyone workman. ये हमारे जीवन को सुखमय बनाते हैं. ओके, ये हमारे जीवन को, दिस एवरी पर्सन in our life, they only making happiest for in our life. जीवन means life, सुखमय, happiest. Okay, so in this lesson we have completed. Okay, so first paragraph, what we learn, whatever we want to need, that three important things. That what is the three important things? Okay, roti, kapda, makan. Okay, that who will give for us roti, and who will give for us a dress, who will give for us makan. This everything we learn in this lesson, and those are all the workmen. This also we learn in this lesson. Okay, students, this is for the first lesson we completed. The first lesson they given for meanings. प्रांतीय भाषा में अर्थ लिखिए. You have to write the meanings. Okay, अनाज, grain, खरीदना, to buy, आभूषण, जल, पैदा करना, to produce, मकान, building. Okay, विलोम शब्द लिखिए, opposite. गांव, okay, what is the गांव? Opposite गांव means village, opposite शहर. खरीदना, to buy, opposite बेचना. Okay, बनाना, okay, बनाना means to make. बिगाड़ना, this is opposite. आना, come. Okay, जाना. Okay, next देना, देना means to give. Okay, that opposite लेना. Okay, third Roman letter, सही या गलत लिखिए. दे गिवन फॉर सही या गलत. किसान खेत जोतते हैं. फार्मर व्हाट दे आर डूइंग? ओके, खेत जोतते हैं. दे आर प्लॉटिंग द फील्ड. दिस इज करेक्ट, isn't it? So सही. Students, you want to write the this answer also Hindi only. Okay, this answer also Hindi only. जुला के घर को पर कपड़ा बुनते हैं. जुलाहे खरकों पर कपड़ा बुनते हैं. ओके, दे आर डूइंग हैंड वर्क आल्सो, isn't it? Correct only. Weaver, they are doing hand work also. आभूषण बनाने वाले को बड़ी कहते हैं. Who will make a jewelers? The person we call to बड़ी. This is correct? No, badi means carpenter. So what they are doing? They are making furniture things only, not for the jewels things. Okay, next the fifth one, lohar, लोहे के सामान बनाते हैं. लोहार means blacksmith. What they are doing? They are making for us that iron materials. This is correct only, so sahi. Next for the question answer, they given 5 question answer in this lesson. किसान कहाँ रहते हैं? The farmer where they will live. Next second question, मकान बनाने वाले को क्या कहते हैं? Who will make a building? The person we call to from what? That is second question. Third question, बड़े हमारे लिए क्या बनाते हैं? That carpenter, what they are making for us. जुलाखे क्या बुनते हैं? जुलाखे क्या बुनते हैं? What they are doing for weavers? Next, the fifth question, कौन आभूषण बनाते हैं? Okay, कौन आभूषण बनाते हैं? So this 5 question they given for the question answer. So totally 4 Roman letter is there. So you have to study and write in this lesson. Okay, and submit your work